Hey.
Hi, we are back.
Hi.
सावन जी, कहाँ है आप? I cannot see Aarti also.
आपका आवाज सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है.
सावन जी, कहाँ है आप? आप दिख रहे नहीं.
हाँ, अभी आ रहा है. हेलो.
सावन जी, yeah.
हाँ, नमस्ते, नमस्ते.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. We have a time limit of 45 minutes, right? So that's why we had to give a separate link. But anyway, so it's really good to see you all. We are so happy to see everybody, each kid, every teacher there who is doing a lot. So Pushami, you want to say something? And
No, Savan ji, thank you so much for all your time. Aarti ji and all other teachers, we really thank your time and support. As we are working from here to support these kids, and I really appreciate your time as well. Sab log, you're putting all your personal time. Some people are doing volunteer work, and some are full-time teachers. So this is a great work. Let's do it together. And we should see them growing and then becoming some responsible adults and citizens. So I'm so glad to be here. Sorry मैं उतना हिंदी बात नहीं कर सकती हूँ. I can barely talk Hindi. So Savanji, please explain it to our kids, and we will have these kind of meetings like with all the kids, so that we get to know, interact karke, we can get to know the kids, maybe once a month or whatever you guys suggest, whatever is convenient for you. But today it's a great day, Savanji. Thank you so much for all the explanation you have done so far.
Hello. Thank you. 3-4 months back, I talked with Satya, and Satya gave the reference of Ramesh sir and Janetri, and we are thankful to Janetri. Only because of Janetri, we are smoothly running this school. Yes, there is long to go, but I think that still end Janetri will support us, and we are trying hard, and one day Janetri also feel proud that yes, we did it, and that day is not so far. We both, Janetri and Samarth Bharat Vyaspeeth, work together, and
Definitely
one day we conquer this situation also.
yeah,
And thanks a lot to Janetri once again.
Thank you, Savanji. And one more request, actually, I really wanted to have one-on-one connection with each child. So Abhi, this is our first meeting, and looking at their faces. But I wanted to make a connection with each child, like getting to know their names and faces. You understand, right? So probably, in our future meetings, we will eventually get there. Probably recurring meetings like this will also help us to see how kids are progressing. Then our support will definitely be there for a long time. Definitely we'll be part of this.
Yes. We can distribute this student in standard wise, and every meeting you can talk 10 student, 15 student. They can talk personally with all
Yeah.
our Janitri people, they are our supporters. So after 1 year, all students and all Janitri peoples, all family members can uh, get together in one connection that they are, yes, we all are in one family only.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Right.
Thank you. And one more, I think Pushyami already put that in the group. So can you give us one group picture of all 46 kids and
Yeah. We are.
yeah. And also the 4 kids that went out who are not part of school now, they've been training in police.
Yes.
So if you can also share their pictures as well, that will be nice.
Yes, definitely, sir.
Again, thank you so much for taking.
Thank you, Savanji. And by the way,
Thank
can you let them know my name also? My name is Pushyami, and I have Ramesh and Anu.
Yes.
I'm so happy that
There is
you're calling
one.
me
I
Ramesh.
have one pronunciation issue about you. Yeah.
Thank you, Aarti.
Thanks a lot.
I could remember only your name. I'm sorry, but all the teachers, thank you so much.
Yes. Aarti and Priyanka Patil,
Priyanka,
Shaila Desle, and Amita
Anita.
Kadam. Thank you.
Can you post their names in the group also if you don't
Yes,
mind?
definitely.
Okay.
Definitely.
Yeah, with their
Yeah.
with their pictures and all.
Yes.
Okay.
So-
Thank
so
you.
one-
And
One
more thing, if you
one
don't mind.
request, sorry. So one request,
Yeah,
sorry.
go ahead.
So Shavanji, since you kids are all there right now with teachers and all, whatever that setup is, can you take one picture from your phone and send it to us with the same setup right now? You can send
Yes. I just said on
He
group
did. He
only.
did.
Is it okay for?
Oh, you
please
did already?
send to group?
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
he
got
did.
it, got it.
He did.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, got it. Thank you.
Perfect.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you,
In,
Savanji. Bye,
yeah,
bache.
backside there
Thank
is
you.
a
Thank
banner
you,
of
everyone.
Janitri also. In that picture, backside
Yeah, I
there
can
is a
see it.
Janitri banner.
I
Yes,
can see it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate that. Great. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
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 So nice. Bye.